Last example that we have is another rational expression. So we get 2x plus, minus 1 over 3x plus 4 is less than 5. Okay, so same as before, I want to work with comparing zeros, right? So 2x minus 1 over 3x plus 4 minus 5 is less than 0. So I need to have a common denominator, which is going to be 3x plus 4. And if that's the case, the first part stays the same because it already has that. But the second part, I have to multiply 3x plus 4 top and bottom is less than 0, right? So distribute the negative 5. I get negative 15x minus 20 all over 3x plus 4, which, once again, you can work with the equality at this point and then check the regions or the intervals later. So I get negative 13x minus 21 over 3x plus 4, is less than 0, or you can say equal to for now. And so the two things that I need to worry about is when the top is equal to 0, and also I don't want the denominator to be 0, so that's the point that I need to exclude. Okay, so if I solve it, I get x equals 21 over negative 13 for this one, and I get x equals negative 4/3 for here. Okay, so those are my 2 points. Negative 21 over 13, and then I have negative 4/3. Okay, but I don't want it to be negative 4/3, so I want to open dot. And for this one, both of them are open because it doesn't have equal to part. So we need to plug in some values and check to see if it holds. Right, so negative 21 over thirds, let's just go with negative 10. Okay, just something that's not, because negative 21 over thirds is negative 1.6 approximately. So this is approximately negative 1.6. So you want to stay away from that. And then 4/3 is negative 1.3 repeating. Right, just so you have an idea. So if I pick something all the way out there as my test point, let's say negative 10 minus 1, and we'll plug it into the original. 3 times negative 10 plus 4. And we want to know how is that compared to 5. So this is, let's see, negative 20 minus 1. So we have negative 21 over negative 30 plus 4 is negative 26. Right? So we have a positive value, and this is 0.84. So 0.84 is less than 5, so this area is true. Right? And then in between here, let's say negative 1.5. Okay? So if we do 1.5 times 2, so let me do that here. 2 times negative 1.5 minus 1 over 3 times negative 1.5 plus 4. So 2 times negative 1.5, which is negative 3, minus 1, which is negative 4. And then, let's see, 1.5 times 3, so this will be a negative 4.5 plus 4 is going to be a negative 0.5. So 4 divided by 0.5 is going to be 8, and 8 is not less than 5, so this is a false part. And then up here, I can just plug in 0, right? So negative 1/4 is less than 5, so this is true. So the region that we want is here and also here. So we want from negative infinity to 21 over 13 negative, or you can be in negative 4/3 to infinity.